it took me ages to do this, right? Do you know, I cut all that open at the top and it was a thin metal pole going all the way around. Like this, but like 20 times as thin, like only really small, you know, like that, how thin that is, about just a bit thicker than that. So I did that, right, and then I cut all these off. So this is what I've done. Just like what I did was do this, but it takes a while to do it on IV1. Ugh, just need to get it in the right place. Oh, see, I did that, every one of them. Look how many there is. It goes all the way around to there. So, cycling just runs up in the garden all the time. Okay, and I actually got quite a few. Oh, and I cut this going all the way across off as well as I went along. So I have to do that. Lucky, this can just untangle like this. Okay, take a bit of time. It's blunting a bit. I got a lot to do. I do it all myself. Tom will take it forever. I have got just see if I can put a new blade on because I think it's getting a bit on the what's it called side. Blunt. It's getting blunt, I think. I'll get a new knife because my other one was blunt. I didn't have no more things for it, and it was the same much to buy a new knife than it was to buy like separate ones. One over there, and it was so much easier to cut. Yeah, look at that. I was doing it forever because it was so blunt. Okay, it's so much easier to cut. So, see, I was like trying to do it forever a minute ago. And then cut this. Now it won't cut. Just have to get it in the right place, I suppose. So the last couple, I noticed I moved it around and I did cut a couple more, but then I noticed like these ones by here, this quarter, you could just hook it because obviously it wasn't tight. So now I've done all this. Now the next step is to take it apart. See how hard that's going to be now. Oof, it's going to be hard work. Okay, so basically, got some oil. It might loosen it up, it might not. But we'll see. Yeah, it did it. Ain't I clever? No way I would have done that otherwise. Managed to get it off with this and that. And oil. So, one start. Now, what I'm going to do is do the other side and then see how that goes. These off. We've just got the ring going on. Really, guess what? I managed to get the trampoline apart. Even though we had to come over, they said they have to come back for metal cutters. So I got that bit and that bit open. And also that bit and that bit, which is by here. So that means I can get it in the front garden now. And get normal scrappies coming to get it. Oh yeah! Which is cool. See this trampoline, right? This is how you take it apart, right? Obviously when it gets really tight, you can obviously corrode it in. So you need something to cut it because these are like really, what's it called? So what I did, I put oil on it, let it set overnight, and now it's like come loose. And I just put this and this on. And be able to do it. See if I can put that on again. Got it untightened. See if I can do this side as well. But yeah, I couldn't do this. It wouldn't let me. Okay. But you need to put oil on. Oh. This needs to be done here so it works. Yes. Oh, that loosened it. Right. Now that's how you do it. Which is really good. Because I did that on another part. Did this bit the other day, but I couldn't actually open it. But I left it overnight and put loads of oil on it, left it overnight, and then you can actually open it. Okay, open. Let's see if I can open it. Yeah, it opened. It opened, but this morning, right? Oh, yesterday, sorry. Not this morning. When I tried to open it, it wouldn't open. Even with the oil, where the oil's sinked in overnight, going in the gaps. It worked. That's pretty cool. It's like the 16-foot trampoline is quite big. So basically that saved me getting a bolt cutter. Now, making sure I can do it with all of them. Oh. This one I can't move. I might have not put enough oil on this one. Okay, try the next one by here. Oh, it's not on it properly. Yeah, I got it. I just needed to get it right. So I made this smaller again. Oh. Another one off. And that one out too. So now I've got this bit, 2 parts right here. I'm gonna start in 2 parts. Another one. That's how much okay. And then this part and this big part now. I might put that one a bit smaller, so any scrappies with smaller bands, it will fit fine in there. So not so bad, is it? Just this bit. Oh, I've got the thing here. Can't find my spanner. It's in the grass somewhere. It was just where I was doing it, so here. So I'm going to try and get this bit off. That would be good. So I managed to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. I could make it smaller, like this one, but I'm not going to. be too much hard work. Obviously, if I didn't put that oil on, this trampoline would not have, what's it called? I wouldn't have been able to do it. I'm going to put my stuff away and then get the next part of the garden.